C'est ce que je comprends.
So I understand. So I understand.
Le deuxième arrêt.
The second stop. The second stop.
Sortez de ma vue.
Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
Je ne m'en soucie pas.
I don't care for it. I don't care for it.
Je perds la tête.
I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind.
Tokyo est surpeuplé.
Tokyo is crowded. Tokyo is crowded.
Où est le motel?
Where's the motel? Where's the motel?
Il n'est pas gentil avec vous?
He's not nice to you? He's not nice to you?
Je viens te chercher.
I'm coming to pick you up. I'm coming to pick you up.
Je vous rappellerai plus tard.
I'll call back later. I'll call back later.
J'ai une douleur au bras.
I have pain in my arm. I have pain in my arm.
Que faites-vous pour travailler?
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
Vous vous êtes bien débrouillé.
You did fairly well. You did fairly well.
Tout ce que vous pouvez manger.
All you can eat. All you can eat.
C'est une mauvaise idée.
That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea.
Ce n'est pas une réponse.
That's no answer. That's no answer.
Je ne le crois pas.
I don't believe so. I don't believe so.
Faites-le pour vous.
Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself.
Je n'ai plus le temps.
I've run out of time. I've run out of time.
Il s'ouvre à 11 heures.
It opens at 11. It opens at 11.
La journée a été longue.
It's been a long day. It's been a long day.
C'est très honteux.
It's very shameful. It's very shameful.
Continuez à parler.
Keep it on talking. Keep it on talking.
Pouvez-vous changer cela?
Can you change this? Can you change this?
Avez-vous vu Scott?
Have you seen Scott? Have you seen Scott?
Il est en Californie.
He is in California. He is in California.
Comment aimez-vous la bière?
How do you like beer? How do you like beer?
Je regrette de le faire.
I regret doing that. I regret doing that.
Sortons ce soir.
Let's go out tonight. Let's go out tonight.
Ce n'est pas la question.
That's not the point. That's not the point.
Elle sera efficace.
It will be effective. It will be effective.
John est le plus grand.
John is the greatest. John is the greatest.
Gardez vos lèvres fermées.
Keep your lips sealed. Keep your lips sealed.
Pourquoi ne venez-vous pas?
Why don't you come along? Why don't you come along?
Gilet féminin.
Female vest. Female vest.
J'ai le nez qui coule.
I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose.
J'aime m'être seul.
I like being alone. I like being alone.
J'ai pris ma décision.
I've made up my mind. I've made up my mind.
Il est temps de se réveiller.
It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up.
C'est un sale mensonge.
That's a filthy lie. That's a filthy lie.
C'est une belle robe.
That's a nice dress. That's a nice dress.
Cela a un drôle de goût.
This tastes funny. This tastes funny.
Ce qui vous préoccupe.
What's on your mind? What's on your mind?
Quelle est la grande idée?
What's the big idea? What's the big idea?
Avez-vous des enfants?
Do you have any kids? Do you have any kids?
Vous voulez de l'aide?
Do you want any help? Do you want any help?
Ne me prenez pas de haut.
Don't talk down to me. Don't talk down to me.
Je ne dirai rien.
I won't say anything. I won't say anything.
Rien ne vaut cela.
Nothing beats this. Nothing beats this.
C'est dégoûtant.
This is disgusting. This is disgusting.
Qu'est-ce que c'est cette fois-ci?
What is it this time? What is it this time?
Vous aimez le baseball?
Do you like baseball? Do you like baseball?
Parlez-vous chinois?
Do you speak Chinese? Do you speak Chinese?
J'ai honte de moi.
I'm ashamed of myself. I'm ashamed of myself.
Je ne vous suis pas.
I'm not following you. I'm not following you.
Je me présente comme maire.
I'm running for mayor. I'm running for mayor.
C'est comme un rêve.
It's just like a dream. It's just like a dream.
Faisons une pause.
Shall we take a break? Shall we take a break?
Nous devons le récupérer.
We have to get him back. We have to get him back.
Quelle belle vue.
What a beautiful view. What a beautiful view.
Vous voulez autre chose?
Anything else you want? Anything else you want?
Quelle déception.
What a disappointment. What a disappointment.
Pour qui vous enracinez-vous?
Who are you rooting for? Who are you rooting for?
Allez-vous manger cela?
Are you going to eat that? Are you going to eat that?
Le savez-vous?
Do you happen to know that? Do you happen to know that?
10 000.
10,000. 10,000.
Fruits de palmier.
Palm fruit. Palm fruit.
Ils sont arrivés hier.
They arrived yesterday. They arrived yesterday.
C'est une longue histoire.
It's a long story. It's a long story.
Laissez-moi y réfléchir.
Let me think about it. Let me think about it.
Cette maison est la mienne.
This house is my own. This house is my own.
Vous venez ce soir?
Are you coming this evening? Are you coming this evening?
C'est très difficile.
This is very difficult. This is very difficult.
Est-ce une zone sûre?
Is this a safe area? Is this a safe area?
Qui a envoyé cette lettre?
Who sent this letter? Who sent this letter?
Date d'expiration.
Expiration date. Expiration date.
Nous avons tout notre temps.
There's plenty of time. There's plenty of time.
Où se trouvent les toilettes?
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
Je vais payer les billets.
I'll pay for the tickets. I'll pay for the tickets.
Je pouvais à peine parler.
I could hardly speak. I could hardly speak.
La route se divise ici.
The road divides here. The road divides here.
J'ai perdu mes clés.
I lost my keys. I lost my keys.
Bien, merci.
Fine, thank you. Fine, thank you.
Passez une bonne journée.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
J'ai 2 fils.
I have 2 sons. I have 2 sons.
Coupons les cours.
Let's cut class. Let's cut class.
J'ai sauté de joie.
I jumped for joy. I jumped for joy.
J'ai encore sommeil.
I'm still sleepy. I'm still sleepy.
Jouons aux cartes.
Let's play cards. Let's play cards.
Elle est seulement en colère.
She's only angry. She's only angry.
Arrêtez de nous tromper.
Stop fooling us. Stop fooling us.
Ce n'est pas une excuse.
That's no excuse. That's no excuse.
Environ 4 ans.
About 4 years. About 4 years.
Ne mangez pas trop.
Don't eat too much. Don't eat too much.
Il est sur les nerfs aujourd'hui.
He's on edge today. He's on edge today.
Comment va votre famille?
How's your family? How's your family?
Je n'ai pas le temps.
I haven't got time. I haven't got time.
Je vais danser.
I'm going to dance. I'm going to dance.
Ce n'était pas un problème.
It was no trouble. It was no trouble.
Il fait froid aujourd'hui.
It's frosty today. It's frosty today.
Jeff s'est marié.
I have got married. I have got married.
Il a perdu du poids.
He has lost weight. He has lost weight.
Comment cela s'est-il passé?
How did it turn out? How did it turn out?
Je le connais de vue.
I know him by sight. I know him by sight.
Je vais prendre celui-ci.
I will get this one. I will get this one.
C'est une excellente idée.
That's a great idea. That's a great idea.
Je vous rappelle.
I'm calling you back. I'm calling you back.
Mentiriez-vous pour moi?
Would you lie for me? Would you lie for me?
Ne vous blâmez pas.
Don't blame yourself. Don't blame yourself.
Qui vous a irrité?
Who has irritated you? Who has irritated you?
Vous le demandiez.
You were asking for it. You were asking for it.
Je t'aimerai toujours.
I will love you forever. I will love you forever.
Quels sont vos intérêts?
What are your interests? What are your interests?
Qu'est-ce qui vous arrive?
What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you?
Vous attendez depuis longtemps?
Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long?
Voulez-vous acheter ceci?
Would you like to buy this? Would you like to buy this?
Savez-vous ce que cela dit?
Do you know what this says? Do you know what this says?
Y a-t-il un club en ville?
Is there a club in town? Is there a club in town?
Mon père est avocat.
My father is a lawyer. My father is a lawyer.
Quand souhaitez-vous vous rencontrer?
When would you like to meet? When would you like to meet?
Je vous verrai à 6 heures.
I'll see you at 6. I'll see you at 6.
Ce sont des pastèques.
Those are watermelons. Those are watermelons.
Ce n'est pas mon tour.
It's not my turn. It's not my turn.
2 autres arrêts.
2 more stops. 2 more stops.
Je ferai de mon mieux.
I will do my best. I will do my best.
J'aimerais bien celui-là.
I'd like this one. I'd like this one.
Il est presque midi.
It's almost noon. It's almost noon.
Ma vie est vide.
My life is empty. My life is empty.
Essayez encore une fois.
Have another try. Have another try.
Je sais que j'ai raison.
I know I'm correct. I know I'm correct.
Elle n'est pas elle-même.
She's not herself. She's not herself.
Il est très dur avec moi.
He's very hard on me. He's very hard on me.
Je pense qu'il ment.
I think he is lying. I think he is lying.
Je prends une douche.
I'm taking a shower. I'm taking a shower.
Dans environ 2 heures.
In about 2 hours. In about 2 hours.
C'est mon réveil.
It's my alarm clock. It's my alarm clock.
Que dois-je faire?
What do I need to do? What do I need to do?
Quelle heure est-il maintenant?
What time is it now? What time is it now?
Qu'en pensez-vous?
How does that sound? How does that sound?
J'aurais dû le savoir.
I should have known. I should have known.
Jouons à ce jeu.
Let's play this game. Let's play this game.
Partageons la facture.
Let's split the bill. Let's split the bill.
Elle est trop pour moi.
She's too much for me. She's too much for me.
C'était délicieux.
That was delicious. That was delicious.
Le meilleur pour vous.
The very best to you. The very best to you.
Que vais-je faire?
What am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Ne lui faites pas les yeux doux.
Don't make eyes at her. Don't make eyes at her.
J'étudie l'anglais.
I'm studying English. I'm studying English.
Y a-t-il un message?
Is there any message? Is there any message?
C'est pour votre propre bien.
It's for your own sake. It's for your own sake.
Le service des chaussures.
The shoe department. The shoe department.
De quel côté êtes-vous?
Which side are you on? Which side are you on?
Pourquoi êtes-vous si pressé?
Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry?
J'adore votre appartement.
I love your apartment. I love your apartment.
Ça se passe plutôt bien.
It's going pretty well. It's going pretty well.
Parlons en anglais.
Let's speak in English. Let's speak in English.
Ce café est amer.
This coffee is bitter. This coffee is bitter.
Je lui donnerai une raison.
I will give him a reason. I will give him a reason.
Que voulez-vous dire par là?
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Quelqu'un est assis ici.
Is someone sitting here? Is someone sitting here?
Que cherchez-vous?
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
Où se trouve la salle à manger?
Where is the dining room? Where is the dining room?
Comme si ce n'était rien.
Just as if it were nothing. Just as if it were nothing.
Où partez-vous?
Where are you leaving for? Where are you leaving for?
Je vais y réfléchir.
I will give it some thought. I will give it some thought.
200.
200. 200.
Malédiction.
Curse. Curse.